how to enable dark mode on Twitter mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always follow the same step on any OS or any device that Twitter officially supports. So first off, just make sure that you have already updated the Twitter application to your latest version. You can consult Play Store or App Store for it. And once you do, and before we start the actual tutorial, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your Twitter mobile application, and then from the dashboard right here, go to the top left button, aka your profile button, choose settings and privacy. And then from settings and privacy, choose accessibility, display and languages. Okay, you will be presented with this screen. Choose display. And then to actually turn on the dark mode, all you have to do is just to head to the display option right here and choose dark mode. Toggle it on. You can also check and modify the dark mode also to slightly dim, so it's not totally black, totally AMOLED black. Or you can choose the AMOLED black option. Okay. And now your screen, your Twitter screen, should show this one, this dark mode. That's pretty much how you change or enable dark mode on Twitter mobile application. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, do not hesitate to put it also on the comment section down below. That's about it. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.